Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, today we will discuss how you can get started with AWS. It will also help you if you are thinking of getting an AWS certification. Do check out our tutorial on how you can start preparing for AWS Cloud Practitioner certification if that is also your goal. Now let's continue with our topic. Amazon Web Services is a cloud computing platform that can be used for various functions. From using EC2 for hosting a server, to using Route 53 to attach a domain name, and S3 to host images, there is no cloud task that AWS does not enable you to do. And with the future demand expected to grow for the adoption of cloud computing, AWS is going to be more popular than ever, generating hundreds of thousands of technical job roles. Let's understand why AWS? Take a look at the stats shown. You can see AWS dominates the worldwide cloud market share. Let's now see how you can get started with AWS. Step 1. First things first, make an AWS account, and start using AWS free modules. Yes, several products are accessible for free and you can get around them, and understand them better by working with them. Step 2. Start learning about AWS Identity and Access Management. IAM enables you to manage access to AWS services and resources securely. Using IAM, you can create and manage AWS users and groups, and use permissions to allow and deny their access to AWS resources. IAM is a feature of your AWS account offered at no additional charge. You will be charged only for use of other AWS services by your users. To get started using IAM, or if you have already registered with AWS, go to the AWS Management Console, and get started with these IAM best practices. 3. Try using and learning the various popular modules, or instances of AWS. You should know your way around EC2, S3, Lambda, and a few more. AWS has many hands-on exercise tutorials where you can learn these basic tasks easily. Go over to AWS documentation on the provided website for these services and follow steps. You can get started with EC2, which is AWS Compute Service, S3, which is AWS Storage Service, and Amazon VPC, which is Virtual Private Cloud Service for creating a virtual network. By now you must be familiar with and able to. First, launch an EC2 instance. Second, create a S3 bucket. Third, create a VPC. Now start learning some basic shell commands. Linux of course will be quite helpful in the process. Then you can move on to apply your initial learning by trying out some hands-on exercise. You will find many hands-on tutorial on AWS website. Now, there is plenty of free material online that you can continue to go through. Move to the next level of automating a few tasks with small scripts. After all this hard work, you may want to know how much have you learned. Head over to our free practice tests on beginner level AWS certification, AWS Cloud Practitioner. Lastly, keep learning. In AWS, there is a lot to learn. You can aim for AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. Our training course with practice tests created by industry experts will help you in your journey to become an AWS expert. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.